I saw that some people were having a problem finding where the weather widget is in Android 12, so I just thought I would create a quick video to help you out. So what you want to do is open the Play Store, type in Google and go to the app, which is literally just called Google, and then scroll down to the beta section. As you can see, I am already a beta tester, but what you want to do is click join under the join the beta heading, and then it should say joining beta may take a few minutes. A common glitch at this stage is for the app to get stuck and to never actually add you to the beta. So if this happens, go to your homepage, long click on the Play Store app, and then click the info button. Scroll down to the storage and cache section and clear cache, and then when you go to the Play Store, it should now say that you are in the beta program. You're now ready to add the widget, so simply go to your home screen, long press, and then click widgets. Scroll down to the Google app, and there you have your two weather widgets. And then just simply drag the widget to its desired position. If your location is turned off, Google will prompt you to allow location access in order to give you the weather at your current location. I hope this helped, and I hope you have an amazing day.